Hey everyone, if you are looking for blazing fast external storage that actually keeps up with your workflow, you are in the right place. On Tech Kingo, today we are talking about the best 40 Gbps NVMe SSD case that can seriously upgrade your storage game. Stick around to see why this one stands out. Let's get started. Meet the Vention KPZ 40 Gbps NVMe SSD case. This compact yet powerful enclosure is built to unlock the full speed of modern NVMe drives. With its integrated USB 4.0 40 gigabits per second cable, you can transfer massive files in just seconds. That means high-resolution videos, large project files, and heavy software move quickly and smoothly. No more waiting around for progress bars to finish. Speed is only part of the story. The Vention KPZ 40 Gbps NVMe SSD case is designed with advanced TurboFan cooling. This smart cooling system helps control temperature during long file transfers or heavy workloads. By keeping the drive cool, it prevents sudden slowdowns and reduces the risk of data loss. Stable temperature also helps extend the life of your SSD, which is a big plus if you use it every day. Inside, a high-performance control chip manages data flow efficiently. This ensures stable and uninterrupted transmission, even when you are moving large amounts of data. You get consistent performance instead of random drops in speed, which makes a real difference for creative professionals and power users. Another strong point is its support for up to 8 terabytes of storage capacity. That is a huge amount of space for videos, games, software, and backups. You can basically carry your digital workspace in your pocket. Whether you are editing, gaming, or storing important documents, everything stays organized and easy to access. The Vention KPZ also includes a smart 5-minute sleeping mode. When the drive is idle, it automatically reduces activity. This lowers wear on the SSD and improves long-term durability. It is a small detail, but it shows that Vention really thought about protecting your data and hardware. Compatibility is wide and flexible. The case supports M.2 NVMe protocol SSDs, so you can use it with a variety of modern drives. It works smoothly with different systems, making it a reliable option whether you are on a laptop, desktop, or other supported device. Setup is refreshingly simple. Thanks to its tool-free installation design, you can install your SSD quickly without hunting for screwdrivers or extra accessories. Just open the case, insert the drive, and you are ready to go. It saves time and makes upgrades much less stressful. On top of all that, the design is compact and travel-friendly. It is lightweight and easy to carry in a bag or even a pocket. If you travel for business, work remotely, or create content on the move, this portability makes a big difference. All in all, the Vention KPZ 40 Gbps NVMe SSD case combines ultra-fast transfer speeds, smart cooling, strong stability, large storage support, and easy installation in one sleek enclosure. It is built for people who need performance without compromise. Before you go, do not miss this. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your setup. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Mayo!